Klover points do not work like a fixed cash currency. The number of points needed depends on the cash advance you request and the options available in your account. So there is no single conversion rate that applies to every user. By the end of this video, you'll understand how Klover points are used, how to check your own point requirements, and how to earn more points when you need them. The first thing to know is that Klover points are part of the app's rewards system. Instead of exchanging points for cash at a universal rate, you use points to unlock or support certain features, including cash advance options when they're available for your account. To see exactly how many points you need, open Klover and go to the cash advance section. Select the advance amount you want, and the app will display the point requirement if points are needed for that request. Since eligibility and available options vary by account, the requirement you see may be different from what another user sees. If you don't have enough points, Klover provides several ways to earn more directly inside the app. Open the rewards or points section and complete the available activities. Depending on what's currently offered, these can include watching short videos, completing surveys, answering quizzes, scanning receipts, or finishing other in-app tasks. The app automatically updates your point balance after eligible activities are completed. Keep in mind that earning points does not guarantee you'll receive a cash advance. You still need to meet Klover's eligibility requirements, including maintaining a supported linked bank account and satisfying any other account qualifications. If your point balance does not update after completing an activity, refresh the app, make sure you're connected to the internet, and check whether the activity was successfully recorded. If the points still do not appear after the app finishes syncing, contact Klover support with screenshots of the completed task. Avoid relying on screenshots or older videos that claim a specific number of points always equals a certain advance amount. Klover can update its reward system, and the information displayed inside your account is the most accurate source for your current requirements. The key takeaway is simple. There is no fixed points to cash conversion for every user. Always check the cash advance screen to see your current point requirement, earn additional points through eligible in-app activities, and confirm your account remains eligible before requesting an advance. Your next step is to open the Klover app, check your current point balance, and review the point requirement shown for your available cash advance. If this video helped, like it, subscribe, and check out our other Klover guides for more tips and troubleshooting.